Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the frame slam effect in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so you saw the effect, so this is how I achieved it. First things first, obviously you'd have a few clips in your timeline that you're going to chop up into smaller clips. The length doesn't really matter, it's just as long as they quick, snappy, maybe 10 to 12 seconds long. And then line up all your clips in the same timeline. They can be on different ones too, it doesn't really matter. So after you've chopped up all your clips with the cut tool and of course adjusted clip lengths, you want to be in the edit section and go to effects, and then we're going to go to the toolbox and you'll see video transitions, and then we want to go to the search icon and you just want to search for slide. And now you'll see here under Fusion Transitions, we have slide down. So all you need to do is drag the slide down onto the start of each clip except for the first one. And once you've dragged them in, they will look like these little white squares here. So if we click on any of them, we can adjust the curve. It'll by default be on erasing. We want it on linear. And then click on motion blur, and you can set the quality and shutter angle on your motion blur, and that'll give us this effect. But what we also need to do is, if we click on the ends of the transition, we can actually adjust the length. That way you don't have the transition running for the whole of your clip. So you'll see all my transitions have different lengths according to how long I've made each little clip that I cut. And all of this can be adjusted to preference. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next DaVinci Resolve video.